Hi Explorers, I'm Shannon, and these learning labs are part of our Spark series, where we hope to spark a love of learning. If you're looking for our full Spark unit study guides with learning extension ideas, book lists, and project tutorials, head to our website. I hope you're ready for an exciting journey today, because we're about to soar high and dive deep into the world of our feathered friends. Yep, you guessed it, we're going to talk about birds. But before we dig in, I always like to start out by highlighting a few books that you may find inspiring as you learn. First is the Bird Alphabet book by Jerry Pallotta. This book is great because with each letter of the alphabet, you'll be introduced to a new bird. Next, I love the Usborne books, and this one is a personal favorite. It walks you through 199 different species, and it's a board book, so it's going to be really sturdy. The Cornell Lab of Ornithology has put out a series of bird books that are great reference guides. Each bird has its own page with information, and then you can press the button and hear its call. Birds are incredibly unique creatures that come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, just like us. From the smallest hummingbird that's lighter than a nickel to the towering ostrich that's taller than your dad. Birds can be found in every corner of our planet and are endlessly fascinating. Do you have a favorite bird? What's your favorite? And why? So, what makes birds so special in the first place? I bet you've guessed it. It's their ability to fly. Now, I should say that not all birds can fly, but those that do have strong muscles, lightweight bodies, and special shaped wings to help them soar. Imagine for a moment that you have wings. Where would you want to fly to? Birds can migrate thousands of miles each year, traveling from one part of the world to another. And they do this because they're looking for warmer weather, better food, and to have their babies. Birds also have beaks, and no two bird beaks are the same. Different birds have different beaks based on what they eat. Hummingbirds have long, thin beaks to sip nectar from flowers, while eagles have sharp, hooked beaks to tear apart their food. And my personal favorite, a flamingo, has a scoop-shaped beak. Birds are also known for their beautiful songs. Can you imagine a morning without the cheerful chirping of birds? Each bird has its own song that it uses to communicate, and some even mimic the sounds they hear in their environment. Can you distinguish the screech of a red-tailed hawk from the sweet song of a black-capped chickadee? And did you know that being called a bird brain could actually be a compliment? Some studies have shown that certain species of birds, like crows, for example, are actually pretty clever. They can figure out how to open containers, they can use tools to help them get what they want, and they've also been known to recognize and remember human faces. Pretty interesting, right? And let's not forget that many birds have amazing particular adaptations that help them survive. Let's take woodpeckers, for example. Have you ever wondered if woodpeckers ever get headaches? It's a great question. Scientists have been fascinated by a woodpecker's ability to sustain the intense hammering pressure day after day. And studies have found that woodpeckers have uniquely long tongues that wrap around the back of their brains and acts like a shock absorber. They also have special bones in their skulls called hyoid bones that are kind of like the brain's seatbelt. These adaptations help absorb the shock and protect the bird's brains when they're hammering into the tree. And they also have special eyelids that close right before they peck. And this protects their delicate eyes from getting damaged in case the bark were to bounce off the tree. It's all so amazing. Studying things like the design of a woodpecker's skull and its ability to survive repeated impacts, this helps us come up with creative design solutions for things that we can use, like better safety features in cars or a better designed bike helmet. And this practice of learning from nature to solve complex human problems is called biomimicry. And it's just one more reason we should stay curious and investigate the world around us.
For this project, you'll need cardboard scraps, markers, scissors, pencil, and some reference books. You'll also need some fasteners. You could use brad fasteners, or if you have access to make-dos, these are plastic screws, and the make-do screwdriver, I highly recommend. Start by making a list of some of your favorite birds. If you're following along in this Spark guide, you'll want to pull out your idea sheet. to sketch things out. I recommend looking online for some visual references or flipping through some bird books to help you get started. When you're ready, you can sketch onto your cardboard pieces. I like using black and white Posca markers for high contrast, but you could mix and match colors or patterns to make this project more unique. Next, you're going to cut out your pieces and then start to decorate. Once you have a lot of pieces, start to lay them out to see what you have. When you have several pieces made, determine where your holes should be and puncture holes with a sharp point. To begin assembly, overlap your cardboard pieces where they need to connect. You can use a brad fastener, or if you have access to the make-do kit, you can use one of their plastic screws. These are so much fun to make, and you can get really creative.
Friends, we've only just scratched the surface of the fascinating world of birds today. From their amazing ability to fly, their unique beak shape, to their inspiring adaptations, birds truly are incredible. We hope you had fun with us today. For more resources, check out the description below. And remember, keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you on our next learning adventure. Bye, friends.
Called hyoid bones. hyoid bones. hyoid bones. bones. Hyoid bones. Got it.